You can improve online sales by monitoring online revenue, order sizes, and popular products with our online revenue dashboard. To access this, navigate to Analytics, Dashboards, filter by revenue, and then select Online Checkout Revenue Dashboard. This dashboard helps you assess the effectiveness of your online checkouts and make improvements to drive sales and improve guest satisfaction. Using this report, you can track the online order size to identify guest spending behavior and adjust your online marketing strategies accordingly. Monitor the number of online bookings to identify peak sales periods. Analyze which products are performing well online to focus on high-demand items and consider promotions for others. Assess the contribution of online sales to the overall net revenue to prioritize and improve your online sales channels.